Last week, the Supreme Court struck down the Biden administration's plan to cancel $430 billion worth of federal student loans.
Yeah, we know that plan would have wiped out about $20,000 in student loans for millions of Americans. Now those borrowers have a lot of questions about what's next. Lots of eyes on this. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger joining us to help sort it out. Now, Jill, we know loan payments will start October 1st, but what should borrowers do now until then?
Well, if you haven't heard from your loan servicer yet, please get in touch with them. Confirm all of your personal information, your address, loan amounts, interest rates, and confirm that you've got auto debit enrollment. Doing that will keep you on track for the resumption of payments in October. Now, if your financial situation has changed, probably for the worse, right, you would go to studentaid.gov. They've got something called a loan simulator. And this may help you determine if there's a better or a different plan that can meet your new needs. Maybe you should even consider consolidation. Everything there at studentaid.gov.
That's a great piece of information. Now, meantime, President Biden, in the, 48 hours after the Supreme Court made their decision, he announced what he called a student loan temporary on-ramp. Tell us a little bit about what the White House is rolling out here.
Well, this is really meant to help people who run into problems over the next year. And in that press conference a few hours after the Supreme Court decision, President Biden announced this plan. It hopes to protect a struggling borrower who misses a payment. Now, from October 1st through September 30th of 24, the Department of Ed will not report anything to credit agencies. That's really important because that can prevent a hit to a delinquent borrower's credit score. Department of Ed's not going to consider these loans delinquent, not going to put them into default, not going to refer them to debt collection agencies. Now, look, gang, it's not a free pass. It's just acknowledging that some people could run into problems, and the administration's not going to hurt those people more if they miss a payment in the first year.
All right, that's really good to know. So if possible, should borrowers start paying now?
It's kind of a maybe. If you've got other high interest debt, maybe credit cards, you want to concentrate on paying higher interest debt first. Or if your job has a retirement plan with a match, do that before paying extra on those student loans. And also, maybe you ran down your pandemic savings. Do replenish the emergency reserve fund before doing anything else. But if you've checked all those boxes, I think that repaying student loans now, while there's still no interest for these couple of months, it will shorten the amount of time on your loan that might free you up later to do something like buy a car or buy a house.
So many of my friends are talking about this. It's coming. Jill, thanks so much. Really appreciate all of that. Critically important. Jill Schlesinger, thank you.